My name is Mike Seibert, this is Jake Ritter, and that's Matt Wilson. And today we'll be showing you the Astrand-Rhyming cycle test. The following are some assumptions of a submaximal prediction of cardiovascular respiratory fitness. A steady heart rate is obtained for each exercise work rate. The mechanical efficiency is the same for everyone. There's a linear relationship between heart rate and workload, and the heart rate will vary depending on the fitness level of the individual.
Some indications for stopping any submaximal exercise test would be onset of chest pain, an excessive rise in blood pressure, failure of the heart rate to increase with activity, the subject itself requests to stop, failure of testing equipment, as well as physical or verbal manifestations of severe fatigue. The purpose of the Astrand-Rhyming cycle test is to determine the subject's VO2 max through a fixed load on the cycle at a certain resistance and at 50 revolutions per minute. Right now, Matt is getting his warm-up in, and in a few, we will begin the exercise test for Matt, which would be at 600 kilopounds per meter per minute. Feel like you're warmed up now?
Good to go.
Alright, let's go. It's important to have the cycle set at the correct height so that the subject isn't uncomfortable and is able to do the test at their maximum abilities. At 2 minutes, we're going to check Matt's heart rate to make sure that he is between 125 and 170 beats per minute. That will let us know that the resistance is adequate to complete the test. If he's below that, we will increase about 1 kilopound. For this test, we already determined Matt's resting heart rate, which was 63 beats per minute, and his weight, which is 83 kilograms. These figures will be accounted for when figuring out his VO2 max.
About a minute and 10 seconds in.
Feel like you can do that for 6 minutes?
Yep.
Okay. Lightweight.
Minute and a half.
I'm right.
Minute and 45.
Matt right now is at 158 or so beats per minute. We'll continue the test throughout the 6 minutes, and at the end of that, we will get Matt's heart rate and factor that into figuring out his VO2 max.
Two and a half minutes.
Halfway there. Countdown, Matt.
Five minutes. Five and a half.
Slow down, you don't have to be going too fast. Now, 4 seconds, just slow down, you don't come to a complete stop, and look at your heart rate. Relax your hand. There we go. And that finished with at 190 beats per minute.
That's how it's done.